Step into the world of elevated outdoor living with our Anchorjak floating decking system. In this instructional video, we'll show you how to level up your outdoor entertaining space with our aluminium framed permeable decking solutions. Once the waterproofing is laid by a certified installer, it's time to mark out the positioning of the Anchorjaks. Refer to the installation manual for guidance. The following is based on 600 by 620 centimetre thick porcelain tiles. Once the Anchorjaks have been positioned in required spots, cut the F channel to length and fasten as per the specification to the Anchorjaks with button screws. Place the tile blocks within the channel above the Anchorjaks. Screw them directly to the Anchorjaks with provided screw tabs. If the membrane area is above 1.5 degrees in fall, place our 2 or 4 degree angle pads under the jacks using the bottom insert slot for a perfect fit. The patented corner keeper technology is essential to maintain an aligned, level and clunk-free tile deck. Apply F2 adhesive to the corner keeper and the underside of the tile corners. After curing, position tiles with corner keeper pins in the designated block holes. Start with the 2 end tiles to establish a level surface. Continue the process meticulously, using a straight edge and spirit level to level as you lay the tiles. For adjustments, spin the Anchorjak base until it aligns with the straight edge. Note that both systems cannot serve as a balustrade. For this application, we'll be attaching to the nib wall. When installing timber decks, add a 6mm packer to the top of Anchorjaks. For timber decking, position Anchorjaks per layout specs. Cut the aluminium subframe. Attach it with aluminium screws through the Anchorjak upstand. Lay out timber, fasten with timber to aluminium screws. And there you have it, 2 examples of our floating deck system over a waterproof membrane deck. Remember that the membrane must always be easily accessible, so timber must be fastened with screws and tiles cannot be grouted. To find out more, visit our website and remember to like and subscribe.